Hi, everyone. It is another unboxing. Okay, so I actually had to pre-do some of the boxing stuff because it was kind of complicated. So the side is up. It is nicely secure. I ordered this on Friday. Today is Monday. I did not spend an extra dollar for it to come so quickly. So you don't have to spend anything on shipping and you're going to get it so quickly. I mean, this is probably one of the reasons why I am, I have a lot of jewelry in this department. Context clue. My daughter's sitting here waiting to figure out what's in. So, Beehive, we are here with you. They didn't, they didn't do this so it could be there, but to give it extra security, but that's okay. So, I mean, if you want to get it extra fast, you can do that. And it lifts up. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. I'm having some struggle. I'm having a bit of a struggle over here. Okay. Okay, child. I think I think I may have to do some more. No, because it's my unboxing. Hey, move. Move out the way. So this is how what it looks. And then it has a nice little embroidery there. New York Tiffany Company.
Seriously, what is it?
As we undo, and then this is what, of course, exactly what it normally would look like if you were to buy online. Let's see if it comes with some other stuff in here. Of course, a shipping receipt. For those of you who collect Tiffany bags, of course, let's put the box to the side.
Open it.
Of course. Oh, and then of course you're going to get your little Tiffany's note. Actually, you don't get a note. You just get the envelope where you can fold the receipt in there. And let's unbox. I'm gonna need you to chill. Okay. Oh, it does have the Tiffany card in here. Oh, so if you wanted to have a note, a thank you note or something, you can put that in here. Just in case if you buy it for a gift for somebody, it's the perfect gift unfolding. Okay. And it's a heavy little box. It's a heavy little bag. A heavy little bag. So, yes. And it looks like this. I think I got the 22-inch because it gives you an option for the 17 and the 22-inch. And I think I got the 22-inch. No, it's 20-inch. So a 17 or 20-inch. So this is your normal typical Tiffany, and I already have this already. But the difference between your normal Tiffany's is the back. Welcome to the Renaissance, Beyonce 925. And so on September 1st is I go on September 1st and September 4th. This is what it looks like on I have the matching bracelet. I gotta find the bracelet. And just so you can see how low it hangs. So if you want to get the 17-inch, it'll be just like this other Tiffany. Actually, I have three Tiffany necklaces on right now. It would be like where the length of where um this is located. So if you want 17-inch, then it would hang this far. This is the bigger one. They do have a smaller one. I do have that with the matching bracelet. I just don't have the Beyonce version of it. Um, and I'd have to not good enough for for this recording. I didn't bring it out. So, and I'd probably have to start digging for it if you wanted to see that example of what that would look like. Um, let's see. And I have the bracelet to go with it, but she's not making bracelets, she's only making necklaces. But if you've already purchased, it's already existing Tiffany stuff, and I think I need to go past Tiffany's because I have some stuff that's there that's been cleaned. Um, Low key, I may actually go ahead and buy the other one. Um, but anyway, okay. On that note, I couldn't find it real quick. I was hoping to see if I can find it real quick while I'm talking. And since I could not, let's see if it's in here. I have way too much Tiffany Shori. Then I don't, could you let me go because my kids just will not let me live. Um, oh, here we go. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here he goes. If you wanted to get the other one, then this is what it would look like. It would look like this. Um, I can play it on real quick if you want to get a look. It would look like this. If you wanted to get, if you didn't want to spend this much and you wanted the next one, then it would be like that. Okay. So with that being said, I'm gonna let you go. It's hot. Bye.